Let's discuss about the different types of deep neural networks. Okay, let's come to the point. Okay, let's learn about the neural networks. These are the powerful machine learning models and it is inspired by human brain. This process is interconnected layers of neurons, automatic learning of complex patterns and without manual feature engineering, which means here we have done all this is in automatically. Okay, we are not any extraction of patterns or features, it's manually. It is the process behind this. Let's talk about the contents of this presentation. Let's start from the contents. The contents are these are the main different types of machine learning or deep neural networks. Okay, first of all we see that what is this and why it is used. So first one is feed forward neural network, that is FNN, or it is multi-layered perception or MLP. These two names are did you heard familiar. Okay, and the other one is convolution neural network. It's familiar for us. And RNN, that means recurrent neural networks. And long short-term memory network, LSTM, gated recruitment unit, GRU, and GAN, generative adversarial network. And the last one is autoencoder. These are the main or major machine, sorry, deep learning neural networks. Let's discuss about the first machine learning or deep learning network. First one is feed forward neural network or multi-layer perceptron. Sorry, it is a basic type of neural network. It's information flow only in that one direction, from input to output. It's the direction. It consists of an input layer and one more hidden layer and an output layer. Each neuron is a layer is connected to all neurons in the next layer, and the output is obtained by passing the input through the layers, applying activation function to each neuron's output. So it is just it's not a complicated one. It's just a simple one, which means it have only two or three neural networks. Okay, the second one is convolutional neural network, CNN. Be familiar with that. That is primarily used for video preparing task and image recognition. Okay, CNN is designed for automatically and adaptively learn spatial hierarchies of features from the input images. It uses convolutional layers to detect patterns and features in the input data, followed by the pooling layers to reduce dimensionality. CNNs are widely used to tasks like image recognition, object detection, and image generation. So CNN is used for the image related purposes or video processing. We have face recognition and we put the image and we get the by output as the which group that is belong to. These all tasks are done under the CNN. The third one is recurrent neural networks, RNN. RNN are designed to handle sequential data where, where the order of the element matters. They have loops that allow information to persist and to be uploaded over time, making them suitable for tasks like natural language processing, speech recognition, and time series analysis. However, they suffer from issues like vanishing or exploding gradients, which can impact their training effectiveness. Which means the RNNs are just used for the speech to text and text to speech. The fourth one is long short-term memory LSTM network. It is an extension of RNN. It is address the vanishing granite problem, and here we suit for tasks requiring longer term dependency. They have memory cells and gating mechanism that enable better retention and control of information. It's just an advanced RNN. Okay. And the fifth one is gated requirement unit, GRU. It is similar to LSGM. GRUs are a variant of RNN. So it is not exact RNN, it's just a variant. and that address the vanishing linear problem by using gathering mechanism. They are computationally less expensive than LSTM while maintaining similar performance in certain applications. So we are saying that the LSTM, it is just an expensive. So this one is not that much expensive. So it's an advantage for the GRU. The fifth one is Generative Adversarial Network, GAN. GAN consists of two neural networks, the generator and the discriminator, which are pitted against each other in a gem-like setting. The generator creates synthetic data or images, while the discriminator tries to distinguish between real and generated data through this adversarial process. The generator improves the ability to create realistic data, leading to impressive application in image and art generation. The last one is autoencoder. The autoencoder are natural networks designed for unsupervised learning, particularly for data comparison and feature learning. They consist of an encoder that maps input data into a latent space and a decoder that reconstructs the original data from the latent representation. Autoencoders are used for tasks like data dimensionality reduction, and anomaly detection. These are the main tasks for autoencoders for the dataset cleaning and etc. To build this model autoencoder. And the conclusion that is this conclusion deep neural network have an emerged as a game-changing technology. It's a very hot technology right now. The ability to automatically learn complex patterns and features from data without need for manual feature engineering. These all are doing it automatically. It's a remarkable advancement in the various applications, from the image recognition to natural language processing. Okay, so it is very useful for the humans for building the models. So these different types of deep neural networks are very helpful for building the models. Okay, so I thank you for you all for